Welcome to Avyukta Intellicall Consulting Private Limited. In next 11 minutes, you will be seeing new features from Avyukta CRM. Just like a dialer, a CRM is a basic necessity for any organization. Are you still using these dialers and CRMs separately? Why does it have to be separate? Why does it need to be disclosing client number or other contact information? Gone are the days where you had to manage multiple tabs for managing CRM and dialers. Since the advent of technology and the demand of the updates in the telephony vertical, we spend all our energies towards developing a world-class software, which gives you almost everything under a single roof, catering to almost all pain points of the end customer, whether unified communications, or single sign-on, or omni and multi-channels, or non-disclosure of any contact numbers of clients, vendors, resellers, leads, employees, colleagues and channel partners, but still auditably connected via omni or multi-channels. Timely and custom-defined user tab and window, system screenshots on email, and UI panel helps you to discover what the user is doing or browsing, apart from the web logs. Employee systems snapshots in predefined timings on admin's email. Employees' exact working location, along with GPS view, with second-to-second comprehensive reports, which can also be availed using custom firewall hyperlinks from the real-time dashboard. Gone are the days when you were required to keep poking your staff for updates and task or project management. Gone are the days of manual lead generation, lead management, follow-ups, closures, documentations, proposals, demos, invoicing, servicing, supporting, ticketing and many more. We're not automated. Welcome to Avyukta Intellicall CRM. Omni-channel single sign-on with live location. IP GPS device-based login options for work from home, work from office, work from client site, with single sign-on. Omni-channel dialer is integrated in Avyukta eCall CRM. Target work stats for the month with priorities and escalations. On-screen work stats for the month with targets, priorities, escalation, task bounce time for AHT along with deadline exceeds. Voice-based notifications for all CRM events. Real-time dashboard for second-to-second activities and events for staff. When any task event happens in CRM, you can listen voice prompt for who had done what. Few voice prompt examples are as follows. Hurry, task completed, L2 support, handling escalations, delete, task accepted, account entries, and debit credit. Omni-channel unified communication. Omni-channel unified communication for phone, dialer calls, WhatsApp, video calls, SMS, email and other UC channels, with detailed and summarized logging and reporting modules. Sales CRM module. Avyukta eCall CRM offers you all key areas for sales team under a single roof to enhance your sales team's efficiency and productivity with inbuilt sales CRM module. Lead management, including the source of the lead, cost of the lead, which can be defined by the superadmin. Custom filtration of the leads can be done in the defined formats with quick filters. And then select the activity that you want to do with the leads, like bulk SMS and email, to selected leads, as well as various campaign options, like auto-dialing, progressive, OBD, or press 1, and start calling for the desired leads, in desired campaign, to bridge the gap between customers' need and the products or services offered by organization. You have options, like stage-wise customer lifecycle or lead management, with auto stages, consisting complete details, overall customer history, quick add or edit, or upload options, for desired details, all payment logs, etc. With superadmin-based customization of customer stages and details, as per desired stages addition, with target and percentage-wise qualified lead stats, to check where sales team or team member stands at any point of time. Follow-up calendar to manage date-wise schedules, meetings, events, deadline, reminders, etc. Graphical leaderboard with BDM-wise lead costing, average follow-up leads, total sales overview, with on-screen stats. Unqualified leads, which were marked unqualified by other teammates earlier, becomes available to claim by any other teammate at any time, as well as placid leads, which are not followed up by anyone within certain time, can also be claimed by any team member within certain limits per day, as defined by the superadmin. All landing rates, defined by superadmin, can be referred at any time, to share quotations immediately, even in middle of a sales call. Super admin-based, custom lead fields, employee task, and URL permissioning, with predefined, custom KRA mapping with hierarchical reporting to approvals. Dynamic auto-proposing, auto-proforma invoicing, auto-SOA and dispositions modes, subscription-based payment gateway integrated emailers, with 100% call recordings, and semi-auditable logging, for WhatsApp and emails. Google modules and email integrations, Sheets, Forms, Calendar, Gmail, and email integrations, calendar eventing and reminders for follow-up, dates, deadlines and tasks. Attendance, leave, task, salary, incentive management modules, remunerations and employee register management modules, with token and card system, with AHD parameters on idle, task time, login logouts, breaks and personal logouts, and approval-based leave portal. Along with super admin-based fixed, incentive, hourly or project-based custom remunerations on WFH, WFO, WFCS modules. Secure employee task allocation and management module, with customer details masking. Assign tasks, with masked contact information, of any client, vendor, reseller or employee, with KRA and project mapping, along with approval mechanisms, and escalation event updates, with CRUD options. Any logged-in member can assign task for self or other, with customer ID only, without seeing customers' complete details, and escalation levels for the task can also be chosen. And for L2 and L3 tasks, approval-based escalation resolving system from concerned higher authorities is also available, for proper escalation management. And once any task is updated as completed, or paused, or pending, anyone can see complete task trail, by clicking on Task ID. Custom client stages. Client staging bifurcations are available, and these stages can be defined, as per the relevant or custom process, campaign or workflow, varying with client to client. For example, lead generation, qualification, follow-up, demo scheduling and completion, POC, customer closure, documentation and onboarding, pre-sales, clearance, setup, installation and commissioning, training, delivery NOC, client NOC, and cross-or-up sales, for multi-projects. Auto-triggers for personal and complete logouts for idle users, auto-triggers for no mouse movement, or key press by idle user, for their system snapshotting and personal or complete logout, within custom-defined minutes, as per admin's requirement or desires. Events and meetings. Check-in and check-outs can be done with few clicks, and the meeting time will be added in user task time, once meeting is completed. Client CRM login. When you do so much, for the end client, let's not leave the client unupdated. Additionally, we believe that a database is more important than revenue, and thus, all new contacts need to be added and mapped with clients or other entities, such as vendors, channel partners, etc., to increase and improve the DB. Statistically, no company stores 90% of company contacts. Imagine your DB to have 900% more contacts for future marketing and other similar activities, with irrelevant data. Second-to-second updates for your clients, for and on which your team is working, is being displayed to clients, along with their payment, SOA, commercial, and other histories. Avyukta eCall Client CRM Login is featured for L1 or L2 support, and event logging along with URL, or SOA, or ledger and KYC documentation supports. With omni-channel communication, client can view commercials and task history, can upload requested documents, or can raise ticket, and with call buttons, client can talk directly, in selected departments. With Avyukta, or your company-defined, customized call options buttons, when you give this Avyukta eCall Client CRM to your end clients. Daily emails, for logins and logouts, with detailed task summaries, and occupancies. Daily emails for debit, credit, sales stats, individual or department logins and logouts, with detailed task summaries, and occupancies can be customized as per suitability of superadmin. 35+, detailed reporting modules. Detailed reporting for login, logout, idle, task, break, occupancy, AHT, deadline, bounce time summary, etc. With client, task, salary, incentive, employee, project, call, prospect, ticket and escalation, and many more features. A to Z summary points. GPS-based Omni Dialer Telephony CRM with predictive, progressive, manual, inbound, press 1, OBD, TTS, click to call, SMS, WhatsApp, email, with masked numbers. 100% customizable CRM, ERP, MIS system, with user screenshots, ticketing, sales, lead and staff management features. End-to-end prospect to customer lifecycle management, with custom staging and complete auditable reports and event, payment, history logs, calendars, video calls, chats, screen share, whiteboarding features with custom dial plans for advanced IPPBX, and smart IVR, with dynamic emailing. Text-to-speech and auto voice updates for all events, with 150+ dialer built-in features. Use Google Sheets, Forms and Calendar modules, with custom inventory, DP, KRA options, for all marketing and other activities. Avyukta CRM. The single comprehensive answer to your end-to-end company, customer telephony, and relationship management, starting at the cost of a single employee. Thank you for watching this video.